welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Hermosa Hair. Inside the package, I received a frontal wig, a wig cap, an elastic band, and some lashes. The wig that I received is a 13x4 number 33 transparent lace frontal. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. As you guys can see, the knots are small towards the front, but as you get to the back of the wig, they do get a little bigger. The hairline on this wig was a bit thick, so I did bleach and pluck the knots to try to make them less visible. When you first place the wig on your client's head, you're going to have them help you position it exactly where you want it to lay on your client's hairline. Once you've positioned the wig where you want it to lay, you're going to use your angled brush and makeup to make a dotted line across your client's hairline. After you've made your dotted line, you're going to clean the area where you'll be placing the glue and then lay your first layer of glue down. For each install, I do place 3 thin layers across my client's hairline. After the 3rd layer is dried, then you'll place the wig into the glue. For this video, I did title it How I'll Be Installing Transparent Lace on Lighter Skin Tones. The wig that I'm placing on my client's head is a transparent frontal wig. As you guys know, HD lace is thinner than transparent lace, so when the transparent lace is melted against my client's skin, it will appear to look darker. When the lace is first applied into the glue, it does look like it'll match my client's skin tone very well, but because this lace is slightly darker and a bit thicker, it won't match it as good as HD lace would have. When you're cutting the lace up that you won't be using, you want to make sure that you use a small scissors so that when you're cutting it in a zigzag motion, it'll be easier to cut. After every section that I cut off, I do place a thin layer of glue right on top of the lace so that it'll be extra melted when I place the band on. When I'm installing transparent lace on lighter skin tones, I normally don't use makeup because the makeup that I use is Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation. And the lightest number for this makeup is number 9, which still seems to be a bit darker when applied to the lace. In the next clip, I will be applying the number 9 cream foundation to the lace. But as you guys will see, it doesn't change the color of the lace, it just adds more product to it, which isn't needed. After I finished cutting off all the lace that I won't be using, I then sprayed bed head across the hairline and tied it down with an elastic band. For the baby hairs, I'll be using Got To Be Glue Gel, the black one, and Cream of Nature Mousse. When I'm curling the baby hairs with a small flat iron, I always curl them upwards because I feel like it's easier to get the ends to stay down than the root of the baby hair. Also, when I'm placing the Got To Be Glue Gel on the baby hair before the mousse, I always place it mostly at the end of the baby hair so that I can weigh the ends down. When I was swooping the baby hairs, the first couple strands were curled in a way that I couldn't remove, so I did remove them from the actual baby hair, and I'll be plucking them off later in the video before I hot comb the hairline. As you guys can see, the baby hairs are completely dried and still in place, so now I'll be placing my BioSilk across the hairline before hot combing. I always comb out every strand of hair before hot combing so that when the heat touches it, it'll be combed neatly in place. To make the part look neat and sharp, I am using cream foundation number 9. After I finished outlining the part, I did use the same makeup and kind of dabbed a little bit across the lace and used my finger and rubbed it in a little bit just to see if that'll make the lace appear lighter. This is how the curls came out for the install. I did some big wand curls with my curling iron from Extava. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and let me know what you think in the comments.